Hi everyone, I'll show you how to place a back camera glass on your Galaxy S8 Active, as you can see on right here. So we'll be working on it right now. All you need is new camera glass, as you can see right here. I already bought it, so it has adhesive in the back. Just easy. Once you remove this one, you will apply this one. So use glasses once you remove the glass, the leftover glass, and then you'll need a heat gun to warm it up. Be careful around it because you have a plastic bag, so you might go on it, so be really careful. Don't use it for too long. Now use a knife to remove the leftovers. This one is pretty easy because it's already, just start from one of the corners and just pull on it, go all the way around. As you can see, it's coming off really easy. Once you heat it up pretty well, it came off really easy. Now clean it, make sure there's no glass inside. Everything is clean. And then use your new piece of glass and install it back in all the way, just like it's supposed to be. Here it is, all installed, looks like new. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up and then subscribe for more videos. And have a good day. Bye bye.